Hi there, my name is Joran from Foleon, and in the next few minutes you'll learn how to scale content creation with templates. So the topics for this video are how to save a template, how to access the template manager, how to edit your templates, and how to use a template in your Foleon doc. So let's dive in. So we're already in the Foleon editor, which makes it easy. So what you can do is you can save pages, overlays, and blocks as a template, so you can reuse that content later. So let's say that you really like this block right here and you want to save it. So then we go to the purple block settings bar and we navigate to the Save as Template button over here. So we click it, then we give it a template name. We're going to give it a category, welcome, and we are going to save it. There we go. We've now saved this block as a template, but where can you access it and manage this template? For that, we need to go to the dashboard. So you can click on the Foleon logo in the top left corner. And from here in the left column, we click on templates. So as you can see over here, you save these pages, blocks, or overlays as templates. What we just did is we saved a block as a template, so that will show up in the block overview right here. So if we click it, the template settings will open up. So there you can manage a few of the settings, such as the template name and the template category. Let's close this for now and click on the quick actions menu. And then we're going to click on edit. So once you click on edit, you'll be taken to the template editor, where you can edit your template to suit your needs for later on. Let's click on done for now. And then we get back into the Foleon dashboard. But how can we use this block that we saved in another Foleon doc? For that, we go to projects. Let's say you want to add the block in white paper marketing. As you can see, it's still quite empty, but we're going to implement that block that we just saved into this Foleon doc. So we click on block. And as you see here in the My Template section, the example block that we just saved is right there. We drag and drop it, and there you go. The block is now implemented in your Foleon doc. So, to sum up what we've learned is you've learned how to save a template, how to access the template manager, how to edit your templates, and how to use that template in your Foleon doc. For more in-depth articles, please visit our help center, and I hope you enjoyed this video.